Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Rotimatic. I purchased the Rotimatic is the 4th of September, and today Rotimatic is arrived in my home. What is the price of this Rotimatic? I purchased this Rotimatic here, Copenhagen, Denmark, around 16,153 Danish krona, around as an Indian currency 1,92,000, as a dollar 2,300 US dollar. I'm purchasing this product. This product is arriving from Singapore to Copenhagen. In this video, we will see unboxing as well as demo. So now let's start. Make roti. Now just simply open. Look at this here. Welcome to the future. The packing little very compact. This is a cleaning brush, maybe. This is a manual. If you have no idea how to use it, so you can read this manual. Manual is available for 5 languages. The Rotimatic application also available Android and iOS. This is a power cable. Yeah, here is this power cable is active here, workable here in Europe. This is a cleaning. Okay, magic is open here. Now we need to open like this. It's very weighted product. Box is empty. This is our product. I just simply cut the plastic. Oh, this is a brand new. Okay, let's see what is inside the box. Okay, this one is a different types of power cable. Both power cable are same. This is a 3-piece power cable, but here Europe is not required. This is a sufficient 3-piece power cable. The adapter is a totally different quality and size. This is a cleaning brush. You want clean every day, of course, after finish. The small brush they are providing both together, and then you can use. Look at this cleaning point of view. They are providing this 2 brush. Now we can see remaining unboxing. So this is a pot. You can put it here. Wheat flour, different quality of wheat flour, like a jawari, bajri, and here put it water. It's very compact. And here you put it oil, ghee. So as a cleaning point of view, you need to remove those 3 stuffs and clean. As this one is oil, so most of time you clean this one. The quality is good, not so bad, but it's so expensive. That point of view you need to be carefully. Now here the roti is coming here. Okay, like this. Perfect. How to add flour, how to add water and ghee, and then let's see as a demo. First of all, I need to download the application. The application available Android and iOS. I have already seen here. Before start this machine, you need to download the application, and using the application you can connect this machine in your home Wi-Fi. We will see digital demonstration in this video. I add here flours. So here minimum value is available and maximum. So you can full here. Don't worry about this. It's not so. I add here water also, and I add here oil. It's mandatory to just put it here oil, not butter and ghee. Here the options are coming here: roti, puri, pizza or bajri. So I just simply select here roti, which types of flour you are using. So I use Ashirwad and then simply select. Keep Rotimatic at the 4 inches. So final outcome after finish unboxing, look at this here. Now I make an instruction for 3 rotis. So now verify everything. Noise, look at this. Now here flour is coming. I already added here Ashirwad atta and take it 3 rotis instruction. So look at this here. 1 of 3 roti Ashirwad. Noise look like this. Here. Perfect. Look at this. Now is ready to put it here. Just place small and again put it the back side. And continuously second roti is prepared here. Now look at this here, roti is coming, but just now they prepare, and here second roti is preparing. So look at this, the roti is almost ready. Roasted level 3 and thickness is 1. I selected here. Little oil and second roti preparing here, and here almost roti is completed like the Indian chapati. Look at this. This is the Indian chapati. It's very nice and it's easy like a second roti. If you want make like a 3 rotis, so spend around 8 minutes, but after finish this one, just every minute you receive 1 roti. It's easy. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.